This video will provide you with the instructions on how to use and set your 3-digit combination lock. Before you begin, it is recommended that you write down the number that you will be setting for your lock. Your preset combination will be set to 000. Turn the knob 1/4 of a turn clockwise to engage the locking mechanism. Scramble the 3 digits to engage the lock. Turn the mechanism counterclockwise to ensure that it is engaged. To unlock the lock, return the tumblers to 000. Then turn counterclockwise to disengage the lock. Your combination latch lock comes with a key. This key will be used to set your own combination. On the right side of the locking mechanism, you will see a small hole. This is where the key will be inserted. Place the key inside the hole and push it forward. It should go in about 2 millimeters. Push the key in and hold it in place while you set your combination. 7, 8, 6, which is the number we wrote down earlier. Then remove the pin. Your new combination is now set to 786. You can test it by turning it 1/4 turn clockwise. Scramble the digits again, as you did earlier, and check to make sure it's locked. Once again, move the tumblers back to 786. Turn it counterclockwise, and that will disengage the lock. You can now open your cabinet. Keep your key in a safe place in case you have to change the combination lock in the future. Once open, keep the lock engaged and scrambled in the lock position to avoid anyone from tampering with the combination. This concludes the instructions on how to use and set your combination lock.